Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the equation form so you can choose the fastest route. Once identified, immediately set x equal to 0 and substitute into the equation. This removes x terms and isolates y. Make sure to simplify constants and combine like terms so you have a single y value. This step gives you the coordinate of the y-intercept directly. If the equation is already y equals mx plus b, read b. Otherwise compute after substituting x equals 0. Once done with the first substitution, continue by adapting to the form you have. For x plus by equals c, either set x equals 0 or rearrange to y equals, and then plug x equals 0, both yield the same y. For point slope, expand or isolate y first, then substitute x equals 0 so you don't lose signs. For quadratics and higher polynomials, evaluating f(0) directly gives the constant term. That's the y value. Make sure to track negative signs and reduce fractions as you go. You finish by simplifying the computed y value and expressing the intercept as the ordered pair, 0, y. Once computed, verify by substituting x equals 0 and your y back into the original equation to confirm both sides match. If fractions appear, reduce them, and if necessary, convert improper fractions to mixed numbers only for clarity. If something looks wrong, recheck sign handling and arithmetic. Most mistakes come from forgetting the minus sign or miscomputing a fraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.